Bigger arms don't come from easy representatives, they come from smart training. Flexed biceps. Try this biceps workout to build peak size, strength, and definition. Exercise 1. Dumbbell curl is one of the best and simplest exercises for isolating your biceps and balancing overall arm growth. To begin, stand upright holding a dumbbell in each hand. Keep your elbows close to your torso and curl one dumbbell up toward your shoulder. Slowly lower it back down under control, then repeat with the opposite arm. Avoid swinging your body and maintain control throughout the motion. Each time you lift, squeeze your biceps at the top. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise 2, Seated Barbell Curl. Performing barbell curls while seated prevents cheating and helps you target your biceps more effectively. Sit on a bench with feet flat on the floor and hold an EZ bar or straight barbell using an underhand grip at shoulder width. Keep your back straight and elbows tucked in as you curl the bar upward. Lower it back down slowly to the starting position. Choose a manageable weight and perform 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 representatives. For extra support, ask your training partner or coach to assist if needed. Exercise 3, Machine Preacher Curl. The machine preacher curl is great for isolating the lower portion of your biceps. Sit on the preacher bench, rest your upper arms on the pad, and grab the machine handles with both hands. Using light to moderate weight, curl the handles upward toward your shoulders. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then slowly return to the starting position. Adjust the seat height so your elbows and upper arms stay stable on the pad. This can also be performed with an EZ bar on the preacher bench. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 4, Cable Cross Curl. This variation hits the biceps from a different angle and helps build peak shape. Attach handles to both sides of the cable machine at shoulder height. Stand in the middle, grab the handles, and extend your arms outward. From this position, curl both handles inward toward your head, squeeze for 1 to 2 seconds, then slowly return. Keep your elbows steady throughout the motion. Use lighter weight and perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 5, Hammer Curl. Hammer curls target the brachialis muscle, which adds width and strength to your biceps. Stand upright with a dumbbell in each hand using a neutral grip, palms facing each other. Curl one dumbbell across your body toward the opposite shoulder, squeeze your biceps, then lower slowly. Alternate arms while keeping your wrist straight and grip firm. This variation is slightly different from standard dumbbell curls and is great for overall arm development. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives. Exercise 6, Dumbbell Concentration Curl. To finish the workout, concentration curls are perfect for peak contraction. Sit on a bench with legs apart, holding a dumbbell in one hand. Rest your elbow on the inside of your thigh, curl the dumbbell upward slightly outward, squeeze the biceps, then lower it back down under control. Repeat on the other arm. Keep your movement slow and controlled for maximum tension. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 representatives per arm.